Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Discover mobile app, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into the Discover mobile app, first, ensure you have the app installed on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Discover app. Once the app is installed, tap on the app icon to open it. On the welcome screen, you will see the login option. Click on the login button. You will be prompted to enter your username. Type your username into the designated field. Next, you will need to enter your password. Make sure to type your password carefully. If you have forgotten your password, there is an option available to reset it. Look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. After entering your username and password, review your information for accuracy. When you're ready, tap on the login button to proceed. If your login credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. In case of an error message, double-check your username and password for any mistakes. Once logged in, you can access all the features available in your Discover account. Enjoy using the Discover mobile app to manage your finances easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.